everyone! First of all, I want to apologize for my English. I'm from Ukraine and speak English extremely rarely. So, in this video, I want to share with you information on how to make a charging bank for charging a quadrocopter Mavic 2nd for $10. The quadrocopter battery is charged when a voltage is applied to it in a range of 17 to 70.6 volts. This voltage can be obtained from any modern QuickCharge bank by increasing the voltage from 12 volts. To be honest, this solution is not very effective, so we used the modern PowerBank Xiaomi Power Bank with 20,000 microamps as the power source. This power bank is capable of delivering current with a force of 2 amps at a voltage of 20 volts according to the standard PowerBank delivery. Xiaomi Power Bank is universal and mostly like you already have one at home, as well as a USB Type-C cable to it. Well, if not, then you obviously will not hard them to get. Such a bank can simultaneously charge your remote, phone and drone battery. Isn't it very convenient? So, to build a charge, we need, first of all, PowerDelivery trigger. DC-DC step-down converter with a current limiting function. Wire to connect the battery Mavic 2nd. All these products will be in the description below the video. The trigger is our most expensive purchase. Most likely in the future its price will decrease, but for the time being it's new in the market. We have such an overpriced price. The DC-DC step-down converter must be set to a voltage of 17.6 volts. Most likely, during the operation, the voltage will drop a little, so we use the maximum voltage allowed for the battery. Current strength must be limited to 1.9 amps. If the current exceeds 2 amps, then the bank will just reboot. At the output of the USB port, our load protection is installed. From the battery wire, you just need to cut off the connectors and then screw the bare ends to the DC converter. In order to isolate the structure and give the bank a tidy look, it's necessary to print a small case on the 3D printer. And place the converter into it. The link to the STL file will be in the description. So, that's all. Charging is ready. Now you can safely charge your favorite drone on the nature, or on the trips, or in the hike. Good luck to you!